Hey, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you the ribbed wheel. We're going to start by creating some spokes, and I'm going to use a straight stitch for that. Once all my spokes are filled in, I'm going to come up in the fabric with my needle in between two of them, and I'm going to bring my needle underneath two spokes just like this, and I'm going to repeat that for the next one. So under two, and what this will do is wrap our loop around each little spoke that we've created, and it creates a really fun ribbed effect at the end. Once you get to a point where most of your spokes are covered, you can make a securing stitch over the last spoke and tie a knot on the back side. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.